Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start on your iPhone, open FaceTime and make the link now. Tap Create Link and give it a recognizable name so recipients know the purpose. Once done, FaceTime generates a share sheet, tap Add Name to lock in the label, then choose Share. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID, otherwise links won't attach to your account. This first step creates a universal URL that Android users can open in their browser and join your call. Now pick how you'll send the link: messages, email, WhatsApp, or any chat app. Tap the Share button and select the app, paste or send the FaceTime URL directly if needed. Tell the Android recipient to open it in a modern browser like Chrome or Edge for best compatibility. Once they open the URL, they'll enter their name and request to join. You'll see a pending join in your FaceTime app. Approve it to admit them into the call. Finish by monitoring join requests in FaceTime and approving Android participants. Once they connect, verify audio and video. Make sure both sides have given camera and microphone permissions in the browser and that Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. If someone can't join, refresh the browser page or resend the link. Sometimes clearing cache or switching browsers fixes it. One key troubleshooting tip: if video or audio is blocked,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.